Vivian, do you want to explain the quick scare we had?
Quick scare? You know, the alarms went off. The fire truck started going out, coming in like this. We thought we were supposed to be shooting, and it wasn't. It was an actual real call. So that was the real scare.
So Steven, what's the plan?
Well, we got some power lines, so we're just trying to figure out without getting any power lines in the shot. But that's what our framing looks like right now. I'm gonna show it to Fabian right now just to confirm what. I guess I'm not gonna show Fabian right now. Follow them around the block and try not to get any of the rest of the camera crew in the shot. So we'll see how it goes. I got some views earlier. I was just flying it like super low and super far, just getting the building in the space. Awesome. But I only have 19 minutes of battery, so
Gotta swap out soon.
I mean, hopefully. It looks like they're getting in their trucks, so.
As our producer, you got put on camera duty right now.
Yeah. I was producer, AC, AD, all that.
Now you're camera operator.
Yeah. Yesterday I was AC, doing a sleigh. Saturday, Sunday I will be producer and AD. Today camera op. It's a whole package.
Or means the whole package.
The whole team is the whole package.
Yeah, Arthur's giving me crap. He keeps saying.
Arthur woke up in a bad mood.
I didn't let him shower this morning.
That's why.
Oh man. Good thing it's a short day.
Look, he's mad. Otto,
What's up?
how would you say things went?
Good.
Concern again is the noise coming out of here when you shoot the scene in this hallway, right?
But yeah, so you just told them not to have a party in there.
And if we close the door, we'll be fine.
Yes.
And the noise situation here.
If there's the ability to have like chairs and stuff. Yeah, we can get chairs.
I mean, no disco balls.
You just ruined my whole day.
You tell us it's cool. These guys, like, so for example, this is one of the
On here, because if you would just take them and then we'll just mini them, put mock-ins.
Start at 11:30 and be done by 12 with some simple shots we have upstairs. We can go show you what that is.
Okay, what's this?
We do. There's actually a couple of things that we're going to do upstairs before we come back down to that front lobby. So we have like street on this side.
Yeah, you have the map?
RTF members of from EMS kind of working in this area, and law enforcement kind of posted around. So two things we show. One is the type.
I say probably bring the 1200 up here, bounce it through this way, so we get some natural light coming through this way, emulating this, and then potentially for film we might put another 600 here. It's not this wide, so just take it this way, and then see if it pushes this way. If it does, cool. If not, and turning, I'm cool with that because, like you said, it's just gonna show different angles. It's gonna give us more potential footage to work with.
Yeah, and it's two different things that we're showing too.
Yeah.
Like one is free range, right, bigger area. This one here is tighter. 11:30 to noon. But by our time hack, when you come up here to set,
Taylor. So there's about an 8-stop difference between these two guys here. So we brought the tubes, right? We can put a couple of tubes up here just to bring in some ambient if you think that's what we want to do. And we have a scissor lift. We had a scissor lift. Thanks to Fabian, it's gone now. But I'm also okay with just seeing how it plays out tomorrow, and we can just leave it. I have the 4-foot tubes.
Yeah. I'm just trying to figure out which pipe I feel most comfortable rigging off of. Oh, do you?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I have
Yeah,
all
I
those
mean, those
lines.
might be magnetic. I don't know. I guess we'll see.
Yeah, I mean they're pipes, so we'll see. Yeah. Okay, cool. Got that. Because yeah, we can shoot something in this section, right? So the officers would be coming in, and then he just
Yeah, there's not a lot of action, there's not a tire.
with the people.
You can do like a lady height or someone hiding underneath.
Should we do like an
tables.
office scene type of thing?
Yeah, you
Because
can
that's
do
what
it.
this comes down to. So we'll shoot this and the same thing. And then for the third one, we said they're just coming in to check, which we're probably gonna do this so we can see them coming through this
we were
way.
thinking that was gonna be pretty cool.
Yeah, and then come through, boom, 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 and then maybe go out that way or whatever. Okay. So we have 30 minutes to set up and then 30 minutes of shooting, all that.
Yeah, we don't. I'm like, do you think it'll be more?
I think 10 to 15 minutes per scene.
Okay.
Just because 15 minutes, yeah.
Okay.
Because once the lighting is set up, that way we can take a couple of takes from them. Boom, and I know we've slotted time
Yeah.
for like moving, so we're good with that. Okay. Basically come to here, and then he makes a turn or something, and we cut that.
He's heading for the stairs.
Okay, so he heads, and then I just let him pass me
Or
here.
along.
Okay.
Get him all the way up there.
Oh, you want to go all the way up there?
Well, I mean, you can always just stop whenever he's no longer useful footage.
Okay.
You can do a shot right here and then closer by the stairs.
But do we want to show him going up the stairs? Coming up, or even running towards the stairs?
Just
actually,
right here, even just
that's
going
even
towards the
better.
stairs.
Just from like right here, showing
Yeah.
him running towards the stairs. That's probably one angle, and the wall here for us, we can put our lights on this side.
Okay.
Gotcha.
You know, so
Yeah.
and
I'll get
So-
those banners out of the way.
Yeah.
Marcom got back to us. Any shot that would have the ISU logo needs to be covered or whatever.
okay, I would much rather have the tactical scenes even act like they're coming from here and they go this way, and then we follow them in this section, and then we all the stuff you were saying happens here because now we have a window that we can work with.
So would you film towards the end of this hallway, like here?
I did a lot of
Catch it coming, boom, and then there's a person right there, like
Okay.
down, and then they But I think either here or over here is where we're doing all the command posts that they're gonna set up.
How are you feeling about tomorrow?
Feel good. It's gonna be a long day.
Steven?
We need Red Bull and coffee.
If you were to fly out that way, zoom it in, I think
Yeah.
that you would get really nice stuff here. Where the first
Spot day one.
day
Yeah.
one.
Okay.
This is command post. This is where everybody gathers together for.
What Sunday? Like, are they just here?
There's gonna be. I think they're gonna be parked here.
Okay.
Well, Joe will explain. See, he has it in his mind.
Leaving today are coming here on Sunday.
And then we also have to get them running out. That running out one is gonna be in this building in the front. Yeah. Officer comes. They're gonna have a station here.
Luis, how do you feel
Yeah.
about this?
It's pretty cool. I mean, so far they have everything organized pretty good. So I think we're just gonna come in, do our work, and see what happens.